Previous work has used dual test measures to evaluate athletes with recent concussion. Our protocol is significant because we've created a shorter, cost-efficient measure that permits simultaneous neuroimaging. If effective at eliciting greater dual task cost in athletes with concussion, our dual task screen measure will be applicable for use in a variety of clinical settings.
For a single condition lower extremity subtask, place 3 yoga blocks in a horizontal position exactly 4.5 meters apart along an 18-meter walkway, and firmly attach smart devices to both of the participants' ankles. Instruct the participant that they will have to walk as quickly as possible while stepping over the obstacles, and quickly tap both accelerometers to start the test, using a stopwatch to measure the time it takes the participant to complete the task. As the participant's heel strikes the ground, raw data will be generated that can be analyzed to assess the participant's gait characteristics. At the end of the task, inform the participant of the time it took them to complete the task from their single motor condition. Then ask the participant to say as many words as they can that begin with a particular letter. For a dual lower extremity subtask, after instructing the participant how to perform the task, tap both accelerometers to start the task and time the participant while they step over obstacles as quickly as possible, while simultaneously stating as many words as possible that begin with a particular letter.